Welcome to the Asset Channel, News Behind the News. Today we have with us Chito Santiago, Managing Editor of the Asset Magazine. And today we're going to talk about the G3 bond market and the liquidity in the G3 primary bond market. Chito, share with us what's going on in the G3 bond market.
The market liquidity remains strong. We continue to see a robust issuances out of China, which account for about 60-65% of the issuance.
That's big, yeah.
That's big, and also we're seeing issuance from Korea and India.
Yeah,
And
India
this
is a new
deal-
market.
It is a new market, and these deals are generating quite a level of subscription, which led to some of the deals being upsized.
Yeah, and a lot of oversubscription going on.
That's right.
Last week, however, we saw the news about S&P downgrading China by one notch to A+. Now, what has been the impact of this?
The rating action by S&P Global on China last week appeared to have no impact at all in the market. In fact, in the Postal Savings Bank additional Tier 1 offering,
Which was done last week.
done last week, the issuer managed to print the deal at the tight end of the final price guidance at 4.5% from the initial guidance of 4.85% area. After the deal attracted order book in excess of 13 billion US dollar.
13 billion is what? Sizable. I mean, that's
Sizable, yes, sizable. In fact, this Postal Savings Bank, exceeded the 6.5 billion AT1 by Bank of China in October 2014.
And under the Alibaba trade that was done a few years ago, which was 8 billion, right?
That's right, yes.
So it's a large size, largest US dollar deal done by AT1 done by a Chinese bank.
Yeah.
In that sense, right?
Yes.
In the meantime, Fitch maintained their rating in July, suggesting that all three rating agencies are at the same level. What was the concern of the rating agencies?
The concern of the rating agencies is about the level of debt in China, right? Which is what, over 200%?
Yeah, there's some suggestion 250 to 300% of GDP
Yes.
is debt, right?
Yes. And in fact, we haven't really seen any new issuance since the first quarter of this year from the LGFB, right? We have
Local government funding vehicles, right?
That's right, yes. In fact, we have seen a tremendous amount of issuance from that sector last year, but now issuance seems to dried up.
Yeah, the regulators in China also have clamped down on issuances from local government financing vehicles. Announcement in June suggested that further clampdown. Not a lot have been able to come out this year in contrast to 2016.
Yes.
What's the market outlook for us, Chito, going into the rest of this year?
The rest of 2017, we will continue to experience strong issuance activity. What's the market expectation. There's still a big pipeline of additional Tier 1 deals. We expect to see continuing issuance of perpetual bonds, which
Seems
have
to be
enjoyed,
popular, yeah.
which have enjoyed large institutional buying.
Yes, that's right. So more activity in the G3 bond market. Thank you for joining us today on the Asset Channel, News Behind the News. If you enjoyed this video, please click here so that you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us. Thank you, Chito.
Thank you.